नित्यानन्दं परमसुखदं केवलं ज्ञानमूर्तिं द्वन्द्वातीतं गगनसदृशं तत्त्वमस्याधिलक्ष्यम् एकं नित्यं विमलमचलं सर्वधी साक्षिभूतं भावातीतं त्रिगुणरहितं सद्गुरुं तं नमामि. Nityanandam. It's great to have you all back on this Living with the Avatar series of videos. This is Rishi Advaitananda, and today I'm going to be speaking to you about one of the things that I love so much here at the Nityananda Peetha, Bengaluru Adinam. Another part of the morning spiritual routine, which is the chanting that's there when we do the daily morning puja. Every day morning, all of us do Pada Puja to our beloved Swamiji Paramahamsa Nityananda, and it's almost an hour-long session, and it involves a lot of chants, Sanskrit chants, Sanskrit mantras, and it is such a wonderful experience. And today I wanted to share with you the benefits that I have experienced and that you can also experience, and what people have experienced, whether it is my own Guru, Swamiji, or from so many other saints and avatars. Everybody has used these sacred chants to connect with the cosmic source of energy, Sadashiva. So, when I first started chanting, I could see a certain vibration. I could sense something very nice happening in my body. And the way I would chant is the way you're supposed to chant, is from the sound should come from your navel center. So the sound travels from your navel center and then comes through the throat. So you're not using your throat, but rather the energy comes from the navel. That is how you're supposed to. So it's being loud and the entire body vibrates. And there have been innumerable scientific studies that go on to say as to how beneficial all these sacred chants are. Starting from the cosmic mantra Om to various other hymns from our Shastras. Each one of them is power packed with the energy to take us to the next level of consciousness. And all we have to do is be integrated to the sacred chant. If you've seen Swamiji's satsangs, many times he would mention a particular mantra or a particular verse that he has read from the sacred scriptures, and he would connect the entire satsang to that mantra and what that mantra means and how is it that forms the basis for the entire learning and the experience that goes along with whatever Swamiji is offering on a daily basis using his morning satsangs. And I have been lucky enough to be able to chant the puja mantras for over 2 years, and after that the Balasans took over. And even today when I'm doing the puja, I just love chanting because that makes me feel so happy, so connected. And what I have seen is that vibration in me has helped me in so many ways, because not only whatever I've experienced, but whatever I have read and whatever other people have shared is, what does the chant do to you? At the highest level, it takes you to the next level of consciousness and connects you to the cosmic source, right? But then when you start looking at the benefits, at a granular level, you'll see that a lot of people who are in depression, the depression goes away because they are chanting. For a lot of people, their health improves because of chanting. Simple addictions, either to alcohol or to cigarettes or to anything else, can easily made to go away, and you can be relieved of those addictions once you start chanting. That is the power a chant wields, because not only does it work as a vibration at a physical body level, but at your mental level, at the mind, at the brain level, it changes the way the grooves are there. It changes and reactivates the higher order intelligence, and because of which you start to think differently. A lot of people don't chant because they think they don't know the language, or they don't understand the words, they don't know they can pronounce them right. It doesn't matter, just start hearing, and as you hear, chant, and then get a book, read from that and chant. Write whatever you have read, then start writing and chanting. It is so easy, and within no time you see that you will be well versed in a number of chants, and you will also start experiencing the benefits of the chanting. Even now it's so fascinating that someone will say, see, I remember that he practiced so many years ago. That's one of the things, because chanting helps with memory. Chanting helps taking away so many negative energies in us. When you start chanting, there are a lot of your fears go away. You don't know how a chant is going to help. Each of these chants, the words that are used, the tune that is used, all these are nothing but frequencies that go and activate a different part of our system. So be it experiencing effects in terms of physical issues that go away. People have said asthma goes away because of chanting, and I can vouch for that. At least when Swamiji says that each one of us has to have 1008 long breaths during the day as part of our yoga routine. If you are chanting with integrity, you will see that a number of those chants will make you have a long breath. And another thing is, because you're chanting from navel center, you regulate the entire core muscles, the abdominal muscles, and because of that, those muscles get strengthened. You can touch, actually if you're chanting from your navel center, you touch your stomach area and see, you will see that the entire area is tight, just like how it will be if you're doing stomach crunches. That is the benefit that chanting brings. One of the benefits, the physical aspect of it. Like I said, there are innumerable aspects. A lot of research has been done, and people who follow the traditional, who are in the traditional world, and scientists, everybody has figured out that there is always a lot to gain by chanting. So I encourage all of you to start chanting, and if you have any issues chanting, please reach out to me, and I will be happy to help you, assist you, so that you can start chanting and you can start experiencing this world of Hinduism, Sanatana Hindu Dharma. And the more you chant, when you start off with the Guru Puja and the Pada Puja mantras, you connect with the Guru. For us, our Guru is our beloved Swamiji Paramahansa Nityananda. And when you start chanting and when you connect with the avatar himself, he makes sure that you attain all the benefits that you need to experience oneness with Sadashiva. Do chant, and I'll see you again in the next video. Thank you very much. Nityanandam.